how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord in 2025. So if you want to stream Crunchyroll on your Discord, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser at first and then search for Crunchyroll and make sure that you've logged into your Crunchyroll and just keep it in the background. Make sure that you're watching something. Just go and select something that you would like to share or stream. After that, you need to open up your Discord application. You can't do that from your browser, so you need to go with your application. From your application, you need to go with a server. Now, once you're here, you just need to simply go with the voice channel. So I'll just simply go with the general one. And here you need to just click on the voice channel, and the voice channel has been connected, right? Once you've connected to the voice channel, you need to go with share your screen, which is right here. Click on share your screen, and it will give you this kind of interface. You need to go with the screens. You're going to go with the applications, and under applications, your Chrome browser will be there here. But in my case, I don't know why it's not there, but you'll have an option of your Chrome browser. You just need simply select the tab or the browser and then click on go live, and it will start streaming Crunchyroll on your Discord. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.